Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Free Fire not open and not working problem in your Android mobile phone. So how to fix this type of error? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start it. Okay guys, first of all open your Android mobile phone and you can see data of Free Fire is not opening issue when you facing. So it's required some changing in your Android mobile phone. The Free Fire games, it required access to your locations and your contacts, etc. So it's required when you not give up permissions properly, then it's faces this type of errors. So I will share some methods and some changings to fix this type of error. So first of all, going to your app settings and apps your Android mobile phone, and go to your Free Fire game, and it's required a permission. So must be required to give a permissions, location, storage, contacts, etc. So, and after it's click on a force stop, and go to your storage section and clear the caches as well as clear the data of the Free Fire games. Okay guys, so after that go back, we grant the all permissions to Free Fire games, and after that go back, and after that scroll down and go to your developer options. If developer options is not appear in your Android mobile phone, then go to your about phone or about tablet settings and press a 7-time build number. When you type a 7-time build number, then the developer option is unable in your Android mobile phone. So after that go to your developer options, and after that scroll down and more scroll down, and okay guys, turn on don't keep activities, and after that go to your background process limits. When you play the game, it's required at most 2 processes. So select this options and at most 2 processes. So after that find out now find out a force GPU rendering, so enable it, and after that go to your force 4xm SAA, so enable it, and after that now your processes properly and more work in your Android mobile phone. And after that go to your window animator scale, must be required off, and it's by default settings it's set animator scale x1, but it's must require the animated off. Now you can see that animated scale is off, transition animator scale and animator duration scale must be required off. Okay guys, after that go back and uninstall unnecessary apps in your Android mobile phone, and if there are some apps installed in your Android mobile phone and you cannot use it, then it's required must be to force stop it, because when your some unnecessary apps is not using, and it's play on a background process and use your RAM and your Android mobile phone's memory. So you can try these methods. I'm sure that after doing this that your problem has fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.